Hi guys, I'm John aka Soral, a Filipino guy who just loves to travel. In today's video, we're diving into the vibrant city of Fukuoka, Japan to explore the top 9 things you must do while you're here. Let's go! Our first stop is the Fukuoka Castle Ruins and Ohori Park, a few minutes walk from Tenjin area. This historical site offers a glimpse into the city's rich past, and the Ohori Park is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic.
Paakit na tayo dito sa ruins ng Fukuoka Castle. Actually, parang mga 10 to 15 minutes walk dun lang sa hotel namin, kaya maganda rin na magstay kayo sa Tenjin if you want some place na maraming shoppingan, tapos konting lakad lang is mapupunta ka dito sa ganitong scenery, which is yung parang mga cultural side ng Fukuoka.
Next up, we have the Team Labs Forest located near Fukuoka PayPay Dome. Prepare to be amazed as you step into a mesmerizing digital wonderland. This interactive art installation combines nature and technology in the most captivating way.
What the F? Uy, may hipo oh. So, pwede natin siyang hulihin via yung app na ginamit nila. Ayan oh. Huhulihin natin yan. Huli ka, bang! Yun, nahuli ko yung giant anteater pala, hindi pala yung yung hippopotamus. So may kita yun dito yung iba't ibang mga ecology or whatsoever. Pero after that, syempre, hindi tayo hunter, no? I-release din agad natin siya sa wild. So hindi lang po forest dahil pwede ka dito sa may tubig. Tapos pwede kang manghuli. Yan. So maglalagay tayo ng net. Ha! Ayun! Bang! May nahuli tayong Pacific Surrey. So anong gagawin natin? I-release kasi mabuti tayong human. Galing oh. Cute. So yung pinili ko light blue. Nakita ko na yung pot ko. Nandito. Pag ganun pala ako. Pinili ko pala medyo mahirap. Kamote ako eh. So, pili ko. Simple lang to sa akin. Oh, bawal to sa may mahinang tuhod na katulad ko. Damn.
Our next destination is the Unko Museum. Floors above the Team Labs Forest. Don't let the name fool you. This quirky museum celebrates all things poop related in a fun and educational way. Get ready for a laughter-filled experience like no other. This museum is on a limited time only, so better visit this if you are in the area.
Yay! So, madami kayong makikita dito. Ayan, pwede kayong magpa-picture here. Tapos, pwede kayong mag-drawing ng sarili nyong poop dito. Ayan. So, hanapin natin kay Jamimoy Vlog. So, ito yung drawing niya. Parang mapa ng Pilipinas yung poop niya eh. Ito yung makikita nyo sa museum. Ayan. Tapos, may parang animal na poop. Tapos, may mga pa-arcade game din sila dito like this one. Kasi ito yung favorite ko. So makikita nyo sa IG or sa FB ko kung paano ko nahuli yung poof. I'm a master pooper. Tapos makikita mo si Jamimi Vlog oh, parang naglalaro ng poop dyan oh. Parang Splatoon, no? Kung naglalaro kayo sa Nintendo Switch, parang ganun siya oh. Ang ganda dito, no? Lovers Room Poop. Yan. So mamaya magpa-picture kami dyan. Tapos ito naman yung Princess of Poop. So guys, medyo i-lower down nyo na yung mga volume kasi sisigawan ng napakalaking ungko. Okay? Ungko!
Now, let's take a quick visit to Nansoen Temple. Less than an hour away from JR Hakata Station. This serene Buddhist temple is home to a colossal reclining Buddha statue, one of the largest in the world. It is a truly awe-inspiring sight you won't want to miss. Kindly take note of the dress code before entering the area, and only mobile or cell phone cameras are only allowed for taking pictures and videos in some areas. Observe also your best behavior. when you are visiting the area.
Konting lakad lang siya sa Kido Nanso in Mae Temple ng JR Station. Medyo mainit ngayon. So maganda siguro mga early spring or late autumn pumunta dito para swabe yung weather.
Our next activity is painting your own Hakata doll. Hakata Doll Hall Shogetsudo is located at Nakasu area. These traditional Japanese dolls from the Hakata districts are not only beautiful but also hold great cultural significance. You'll have a blast bringing your doll to life with vibrant colors and intricate designs. You can purchase this activity via Klook and get a 5% discount using Soral 5 off, along with other activities and passes like JR Pass.
The Emperor. Yan, nakarap na siya. In fairness, nag-enjoy ako dito sa experience ito. Must try talaga itong Hakata doll painting. Hindi ko in-expect na mag-enjoy talaga ako ng ganito.
Time to hop aboard a scenic cruise along the Nakasu River. This leisurely boat ride offers a stunning view of Fukuoka skyline and bridges. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the tranquil beauty of the city from a unique perspective. Highly recommended to book the activity on site since changes in route might happen depending on the tide situation in the bay.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.
Fukuoka is renowned for its vibrant street food culture, and you can't visit without sampling the delicious offerings at the yatai stalls. These mobile food stalls serve up mouth-watering local delicacies from grilled skewers to savory ramen. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. I highly suggest you try yatai stalls around Tenjin area since it is much cheaper than in the Nakasu touristy area. Try their famous yaki ramen and thank me later.
One of the best social experience namin dito sa Japan. Nakailang balik na kami pero
Fukuoka pala.
sa Fukuoka pala ang susi na makakausap kami ng hindi lang Japanese, actually pati Korean.
Pati yung mga yung mga nagluluto, yung nagsiserve, sila, sobrang welcoming, gano'n.
This is Chamimay Vlog's favorite part. No trip is complete without a little shopping, and Tenjin is the place to be. This bustling shopping district is filled with trendy boutiques, department stores, and unique local shops. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or searching for traditional souvenirs, Tenjin has got you covered. You can either shop underground via their Tenjin Underground Shopping Mall, at Shintencho, where you can find local stores and drugstores, around the city center where you can see famous brands and known shopping areas, or walk around the corner to thrift at the vintage shops out there. For me, this area is like a compressed Tokyo where you can see a glimpse of Harajuku, Akihabara, Shimokitazawa, Ginza, Kabukicho, and Shibuya all in one place. Last but definitely not the least, it's time to indulge in Fukuoka's iconic dish, the Tonkotsu Ramen. This rich and flavorful pork braised broth paired with perfectly cooked noodles will leave you craving more. Don't forget to customize your bowl with toppings and savor every slurp. You can either experience it at the very famous Ichiran's main branch, at the rival branch Ippudo, or just try it at some local ramen store. This is a dish worth trying, especially in its birthplace. And that wraps up our journey through Fukuoka, Japan. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your next adventure. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!